everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your blood bank business. Managing donor communications manually can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send donor guidelines and even schedule appointments all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to set up this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the chat flow that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow for blood bank business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here, we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I am going to send a general message like, "Hello." And immediately our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to our blood bank. I'm here to assist you with donations, camps and appointments. How can I help you today?" And it has given us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says donor guidelines. You must be 18 to 65 years old, minimum weight 50 kgs, no major illness in past 6 months, avoid alcohol for 24 hours before donation, need more help. So I'm going to select the donation camp. Nearby donation camps: Mumbai APC Hall, Pune XYZ Center, Delhi Red Cross. Want to book a slot? I'm going to select yes. And then it will ask me for my details. Book your appointment. Please share full name, city and preferred location and date. So here I'm going to respond them with my details. Here I'm going to respond with demo user Mumbai 15th May. And our chatbot will respond us with appointment request received. We've registered your info as demo user Mumbai 15th May. Thank you for supporting a life-saving cause. So this is how our chatbot works. This chatbot was created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To show you how to create this chat flow, we have to sign in our Pabbly account. And for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter pabbly.com/chatflow. It will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. Since I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In. Once you sign in, you will see all apps provided by Pabbly. We need to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created successfully. When we create a new flow, it is initially named as untitled. So we are going to name it something more relevant like WhatsApp chatbot for a blood bank. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start box, under which there is an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which will activate the chatbot. However, there is another option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to filter specific text. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. This regex will safely trigger on everything, whether it's a short text, full paragraph, messy input, clean input, anything. You can enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Now there is another option to choose templates. These are predefined templates, and when you click on it, you will get a list of approved templates from which you can choose your template. We can go ahead and curate our first message, and for that you need to access the text button. And here you can add your message. Here I'm going to add this message and it will look like this. Welcome to our blood bank. I'm here to assist you with donation camps and appointments. How can I help you today? And with the help of add buttons, we can give some quick reply options to the user, such as donor guidelines, as well as donation camps, and lastly, I'm going to add an option to book appointment. Once we are done generating our first message, we are going to curate responses for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with donor guidelines. So here again I'm going to access the text button, and in text button I'm going to add donor guidelines. You must be 18 to 65 years old, minimum weight 50 kgs, no major illness in past 6 months, avoid alcohol for 24 hours before donation, need more help. So we are going to create some quick responses for this as well. Here I'm going to add donation camp and an option to book an appointment. So here I'm going to add donation camp details. Our message will look like this. Nearby donation camps: Mumbai ABC Hall, Pune XYZ Center, Delhi Red Cross. Want to book a slot? Then here I'm going to provide some quick reply options such as yes and no. And then we are going to generate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with no. Here I'm going to add, that's okay, some other time maybe. However, if the user decides to book a slot, then we are going to access the action type notes, and then we are going to access the question button. The question box will appear in front of us, and here I'm going to add book your appointment. Please share full name, city and preferred location and date. And here you can see there is an option to select contact custom field. To select contact custom field, you need to create a contact custom field first. And to do that, you need to save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, you need to go to the settings and then choose this third option that says contact custom fields. Click on it. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Once you've created your contact custom field successfully, you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select any. Link it to the yes option. And now we are going to curate a confirmation message using text button. Here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Appointment request received. We have registered your info as $add. Thank you for supporting a life-saving cause. This $add is used because we selected add in the contact custom field. And this $sign makes sure that it is replaced by the actual details sent by the user. This is how our blood bank chat flow looks like. With the help of this flow, the user can ask for donor guidelines, donation camp, and book an appointment all on WhatsApp itself. This chatbot was created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and if you want to create a similar chatbot, you can do that following the same procedure as I've shown in this video. Once you're done creating your flow, save your flow, and once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.